Guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Six Sigma on the Run. I already ran, so I'd like to discuss. And there's a lot of questions that were emailed to me about this. What's the importance of automation in the BPO industry? That's a very important question, guys, because as we all know, the future is now. And in the BPO industry, there are a lot of tasks that are mundane, that can easily be automated to produce perfect outputs. And it can be done, the process can be done 24 by 7 without taking any breaks. That's good, right? And sometimes there are technologies available for us to use. Let's say the metaverse. It can actually inspire or motivate people from getting into your showroom, use virtual realities to shop, and with the use of blockchain, you can go into virtual buying and selling. So there's a lot of opportunities in the automation and in the automation field that can be applied in the BPO industry. So what's important, guys, if you are still young in the BPO industries, for you to attend workshops, uh, be abreast on what's the latest. So that's for it for today, guys. So let's run.